This is our main entrance gate.
That's the sand, huh?
Yeah, that is the sand. This is our main entrance gate. And one of the main reasons why you see us doing this little fence here and there is to claim the property, so that people will not trespass, will not enter into our property. And it's possible people can easily do that. So to prevent cases, that's why we do it. If we have little amount, we do it little, we come to another place, and so that is with this, nobody can come this way again. With that little fence over there, so it's part of securing the land, the land. And this one costs a lot of money. It is because everything here is very solid and is built to serve as to secure. We'll have some. The idea is that some security will be there to oversee from far and wide. If there are people that are trespassing or invading, they will be able to. Well, I won't discuss that. Security measures. Yeah.